Hello, everyone. I'm going to talk to you about the Food Aid Tracker formative assessment and specifically how to create a Powtoon. So in your weight management notes, scroll all the way down to Food Tracker assignment. Obviously, you've completed the Food Tracker already. Click on the Food Tracker assessment here. And here is a HyperDoc. I've already created one for ThingLink, and you could find the how-to down here below. And I'm now going to talk to you about Powtoon. So again, use your food tracker to create a unique presentation about the food you ate over the last 4 days. Choose one of the 4 options below. Your creation must include all food eaten, amount of calories, fat, protein, and carbs content in grams. Again, if you chose the ThingLink, you could find the how-to down below. Google Slides you all know, and I'm going to talk to you about Powtoon. Click on that link. You're going to have to log in, and once you are, you'll be brought to this screen. I highly recommend clicking on Student Projects and scrolling down to Timeline. I think this is a great template, as it takes you through, obviously, a timeline. This one has the years, but we're going to edit it to show days. Okay, so click down below at Edit Template, and it'll slowly load. And once it does, you'll see that you could basically edit everything here. Up above here says timeline. You can leave that. That's fine. You could change the title here to 4-day food tracker. And you can highlight it or just make it smaller or click down here to make the font smaller as well. Okay. Now 1900, obviously you can change. My biggest suggestion is maybe to start off with Monday. You could change the size of the font there to anything that you choose. Maybe 28 might be a little bit nicer, or even 32. Okay. You don't really need to add text here, so you could just kind of delete that. But the next thing that I would do is start maybe with Monday and type in Monday breakfast. Again, that's way too big of a font, so I would scroll down and make it a little bit smaller. And then in here, you can start adding all the food. So for the sake of this demonstration, let's just write, I ate an egg sandwich. And then down below would be the total calories. And again, that's from all of the data that you got from the MyFitnessPal. So let's just say that's 200 calories, 10 grams of fat, 20 grams of protein, and 20 grams of carbs. That's not totally accurate, but again, for the sake of this demonstration, I can highlight that and, change around the font if I want to. Now, that's my first slide. I could then go on to the second slide and then continue. So if that was Monday breakfast, I could do Monday lunch. Change that, and then, turkey sandwich, and then click down below, Monday snacks, and so on. Okay, now once you do Monday, you could then continue and add slides right here to Tuesday and beyond. To watch the entire thing, you can just hit play at the beginning, and it'll go through the entire timeline of your day. Okay, obviously this is a quick demonstration, so it's not going to show a whole lot, and that's why I'll pause here. Once you're finished, you can click Save. And then you can copy and paste copy it. Go back to the food tracker HyperDoc. Click on Submit Your Project here. Click on that link. Fill it out. Obviously hit Powtoon. And then the link, you would paste it there and then submit. Any questions, let me know.